Hello, today we will see the sealed interface, sees and how to declare it with a Carrefour shop example. Just like seal classes, seal interfaces in Java allow you to explicitly control which classes or interfaces are allowed to implement or extend them. To seal an interface, add the sealed modifier to its declaration. Then, after any extend clause, add the permits clause, which specifies the classes that can implement the sealed interface and the interfaces that can extend the sealed interface. This is particularly useful when modeling a restricted hierarchy, ensuring a predictable and safe extension path. Next. Example scenario, Carrefour shops. Let's say we are designing a system for managing different Carrefour store types and we want to define common behavior shared across them, like calculating their operational complexity or capacity, but we want to limit which specific store types exist. We define a seal interface called Carrefour Shop and explicitly state which implementation are allowed: city store, market store, hyperstore, and drive store. So here we have the test class with a main, and we declare in it a new hyperstore which takes as parameter 2 store, a market store which itself takes 2 store as parameter, and then the second parameter of hyperstore is drive store. And then we call compute load. And you see just here the seal interface Carrefour shop permits these different kinds of shops and as a method int compute load. Next, permitted implementation. So each permitted class implements the Carrefour shop interface just so above this one, interface Carrefour shop, providing a specific behavior. For example, city store implements Carrefour store as a field unit, then as a constructor city store which takes units and the method compute load. Same for market store, but with Carrefour shop A and B fields and constructor with these 2 parameters. And same, it implements the compute load method. And then we have the same kind of behavior with the other shops, drive store and hyperstore. So to conclude, key concepts illustrated: seal interfaces Carrefour shop restrict implementation to only approved store types. All implementations are marked final to prevent further extension, and the system model various composition of store types using class composition, mirroring how Carrefour combines the store formats for different regions. This approach keeps your hierarchy explicit, safe, and easy to maintain. No one can add an arbitrary store type without permission from the seal interface. We are only limited to this shop just here. Thank you very much, and maybe see you in another video. Bye.